Thanks for joining me once again. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. How to get around Thailand without getting lost. You need to know how to communicate with the locals. You need to know how to communicate with the people there in Thailand, because a lot of people understand English, but they don't know how to communicate back to you. The easiest way to communicate with them is speak their own language. I'm here to help you doing that, because all these sentences is very important. It's gonna save you a lot of times. It might even save your life. Let's go. Today I want to talk about transportation. You can't just be on foot all the time. You can't just walk everywhere and I guess you have a death wish, because traffic there is crazy. And I can tell you right now, all those cars ain't gonna stop for you. You think you're gonna walk across the street, they're all gonna stop for you to cross. No, they're not gonna stop. None of them gonna stop. Have you ever played a Frogger? One of those like Atari games or whatever back in the 80s? You kind of go up and down and try not to get killed. Yeah, that's Thailand, okay? So to get around Thailand, you're gonna need transportation, such as taxis and buses and whatever. All right, let's get on with this. How to say, I want to go to ... I want to go to a massage parlor. Name, Sabai Massage or whatever, right? I want to go to the Sabai Massage. ฉันต้องการไป ฉัน means I. ฉันต้องการ mean I want to. Go to is ไป ฉันต้องการไป Sabai Massage Parlor. I want to go to ฉันต้องการไปwhatever place. Next, how much is the fare? How to say how much is the fare in Thai? ค่าโดยสารเท่าไหร่ ค่าโดยสารเท่าไหร่ One more time. ค่าโดยสารเท่าไหร่ which means how much is the fare? If you flagged out taxi, you don't ask that, because you ask that, they're gonna scam you. If you ask the taxi driver how much is the fare, they'll tell you the random number. How much is the fare is like when you go to the bus station and you want to go to Phuket, or you want to go to Pattaya, or you want to go somewhere that's far. Just say if you want to take a boat across the river, it'll take like 10 hours to go across in traffic to get to the other side. You might want to know how much is the fare. Don't take one of those like private boat thing, because then you're gonna get scammed too. Yeah, just get one of those like big boat that like everyone get on, all the Thais that go on. So you ask them how much is the fare, then you go on with them. But I wouldn't use that at the taxi stand. And you can even ask like the motorcycle taxi, if you're like brave enough to get on one of those, you can get around town very fast. It'll take you like 5 minutes instead of like 2 hours. But you better be brave and just hang on, because yeah, it's gonna be a ride of your life. Okay? ค่าโดยสารเท่าไหร่ Next, does this bus or train go to ... You're at the bus station, you're at the train station, you want to go down south, you want to go down to Phuket for a full moon party. รถคันนี้ไป Phuket ไหม รถคันนี้ไป Phuket ไหม which means does this bus here or car or whatever go to Phuket or Pattaya? Just say if you want to go to Pattaya, the beach city, รถคันนี้ไป Pattaya ไหม But if it's a train and you don't want to get on a wrong train, you want to go down south, so you want to get on the right train. The train called รถไฟ รถไฟนี้ไป Phuket ไหม รถไฟนี้ไป Phuket ไหม Next, I need a ticket to ... I need a ticket to Phuket, Pattaya, Chiang Mai, or whatever. I need a ticket to your destination. How to say I need a ticket to? ฉันต้องการตั๋วไป ฉันต้องการตั๋วไป whatever. ฉันต้องการตั๋วไป ... Phuket, Pattaya, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, North Pole. Okay? ฉันต้องการตั๋วไป This can work for the bus, for the train, for airline. You say at the counter at the airline, say ฉันต้องการตั๋วไป Phuket. All right? Very easy. Now this one, how long does it take to get there? You're gonna need that because some of the buses might be cheaper, but they take longer, 10 hours longer, but you save yourself $10. Get on the right one, you better ask them how long it's gonna take. Instead of 2-hour ride, you'll be like 10-hour ride. So how long does it take to get there? How do you say that? ใช้เวลาเดินทางนานเท่าไหร่ใช้เวลาเดินทางนานเท่าไหร่ It's like the first part is ใช้เวลาเดินทาง which means the travel time นานเท่าไหร่ means how long would it take. Ask them that before you just like willy-nilly get on a bus or a train and you waste like a whole week just stuck on there. All this sentence is very good if you want to go far. You want to go somewhere out in the woods or in the jungle or whatever death wish you have out there, and But if you want to go, if you want to go like Phuket and somewhere far, somewhere fun, which is fine, just don't go all crazy and spend like the whole trip in the wood because that's how you disappear. My name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.